everyone, welcome back. It's Savannah. I am sending you all so much love. So much love. I am sending your way. And a big hug. So today, this is hopefully going to be a fairly short video. If you purchased the kit Reverie Bleue, which is available on my Etsy shop, it is still 50% off until Saturday the 16th. You got in there one of these pages that looks like this. This is an envelope. It's got a funny shape to it. It's a gusseted envelope, and I'm going to show you how to do this. What I'm going to do right now is I am going to glue another piece of paper to this as an inside lining and also to strengthen the page. And then I'm just going to cut it out. So as I'm doing that, I want to talk to you guys about my upcoming giveaway. If you watched my last video, I told you guys that I had put a post out to see what you guys want as a giveaway for when I hit 100 subscribers. I'm just going to use, this is from the kit also, it's just one of the letter pages. So I'm just going to glue these two pages together. So nothing earth-shattering here. Let's see. I'm going to use the glue stick. So in the video, I talked about, I did a post and I got a couple of responses, and I haven't heard, or unless I hear overwhelmingly by everyone that you guys want a different kind of giveaway, what I am going to do is pick 5 people for 500 giveaways, and I am going to send you Happy Mail. In the Happy Mail, I know for sure I'm going to do my hidden paper clip with the tuck that turns into a tuck spot and a journaling spot. So I'm going to send some of those. I am going to send some of my faux vintage trim so that I sewed. If you watch that video, it's in the 100-day project playlist if you haven't seen it. And then I'm going to send some other stuff too. I haven't, excuse me, completely figured out what I'm going to send, but it'll be good. And so I'm just going to put this right on top here. Make sure there's no wrinkles. And I thought, well, I guess I did get it pretty straight. So yeah, so to enter the giveaway, you need to go to, and it will be linked at the end of this video. It'll be the up next video, plus it will be in the description box. The video where I showed you the kit, when I went live and showed the kit, the Reverie Bleue kit. So to get one entry, you need to be a subscriber, and you need to like and comment in that video. To get an extra entry, so you have a chance to get 3 entries. To get an extra entry, you need to share the video. And then for the 3rd extra entry, if you purchase the kit. So what I need you to do, if you purchase the kit and if you share the video, leave that in the comment. And I'm just going to use scissors to cut this out. If you purchased the kit and if you shared the video, put in the comment, I purchased the kit, I shared the video. And that way I will know. And then I will do a drawing for the 5 people who are going to receive Happy Mail. And I'm not sure the exact date when I'm going to do that, because I don't know when I'm going to hit the 500 subscribers. And then I'll let you guys know who wins. I'll do the drawing on air, and I will let you know who wins. And then I'll send out the Happy Mail. Yeah, to 5 people. So go to the video where I think it says grand opening of the Etsy shop, and kit, but it'll be linked in the description box. It'll be the up next video at the end of this video. And it's also in the Reverie Bleue playlist. So comment, like, subscribe, share that video, and buy the kit. And you can get 3 entries. And if you've purchased the kit before seeing this video, that counts. It's anyone who has purchased the kit at the time of the drawing. Okay, so that's cut out. So this is a little funky shaped thing. And then this is the outside, or you can have it the other way around. This is the outside or inside, just how I happen to do it. So then what you're gonna do is, and you can score this if you want, I just use the ruler, line it up point to point, okay? And then you wanna fold it up. And then you can fold it over. Let me put the cover on my glue. Oops. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use that. I have a little lip here on this, and this is a metal ruler, so it works so great as my like bone folder almost. Okay, so then, so you did the point to point and you folded it in half. That also brings you up to here. So then just take your ruler right there to the edge of that and fold that up. Okay, so then that part's folded up, and then use your bone folder, scissors, ruler, whatever you have, popsicle stick, anything. So now we have those 2 folds. Then we're gonna go from this edge here to this edge. We're gonna line that up and just fold up again. Same thing. So now you can see the square envelope is kind of coming to shape. So it's a little different kind of envelope, but I really like it because you can put stuff in it and it holds it in, but then it opens up and it's not the concertina. So then do the same on the other side. So line up that edge there to this point down here and bring it up. And then fold it down. Yeah, the first time I learned this envelope, I was like, what? But it's really easy. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is where you have the crease right here. So where this point is, there's a crease. You're going to cut from the point right to this fold line. Okay, so it's a really short little cut. So you're just going to right there. And then you do the same on the other side. Oops. Okay, then you're going to fold it up just to where it hits. So you have a little, it like stops, right? In that line. So make sure I'm explaining this. So you're gonna fold that right to there, to that inside line where it's at. And then you're gonna put this one here. So you have a 90-degree angle and you're gonna glue it there. So let me get some wet glue. So you want to put the glue just in that spot. And if you want, you could take your pencil so you know exactly where you need to glue. You can, this is an erasable highlighter, so I can get rid of this mark. And I can also get rid of it with heat. But you can just do a little line, dot there and there, and then you know where you need to put your glue, if that's helpful. This is gonna open. Let's see. Yeah, so then you can just put your glue there. Probably should have used the Fabri-Tac because it dries so fast. This one's not going to dry very fast. Okay, so you have a right angle. And you just want to glue that there. And then let's do the other side. I'm going to do the Fabri-Tac on the other side so that it dries faster. Oh, forget how fast this comes out. And then you're going to just glue that like so. And then you can come in and like press down on it when it's lined up. So if you want to make sure you've got a really good, I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but you can just, once it's here, you can fold it like that and really just press down on it and make sure that it has a really good fold. Okay. Then you're going to tuck it in. You've got to wait for it to dry because I'm slipping. So it has to be dried and lined up really good. You don't want to go past this, okay? Then you just start to fold it in and then press with your fingers. And I kind of messed this up because I didn't let it dry. So I'm just going to trim off where it kind of came out there. Okay. And then you can open it up like this. So once it's folded over, open it up, and then you can create that line, or this line right here is where it's bending in. Once it's glued together and it's poking out like that. So go in and reinforce that bend like that. But that is going to be tucked inside. Okay. So there you have your gusseted envelope. So it just opens up like that. Then what you want to do is you want to fold this part over, and you want to take either a pencil, something erasable, and you want to put a little mark at this corner here where this meets, and then you want to put a mark at that corner. Okay, so now you have 2 dots. You want to take your ruler, and I'm doing this in a bright color so you see it. You want to take your ruler and line up those 2 dots and then draw a line. So you have a line there, right? Then what I do, and this is how I do it. You probably could you could do this cutting before you glue it together. I just kind of always done it this way. Then you want to take something, I have this little rubber scraper thing, so I find this fits in here really good for me. And so I'm going to put that in to where I know it's, put it all the way in so you know you have a hard surface there. Okay, then you want to take a little cutting knife. Make sure I get a flat edge. You want to put that in there. Take your ruler, and just from each point to the next point, you don't want to go beyond this. You want to just cut a slit in there. So then you have, oops, I didn't go all the way down. Right in the middle. Okay. And that's how you line up and get your slit. So you have this slit cut in. And that's why it's good to use 2 papers. And then you just fold this over, and then it fits perfectly in there. Get this out of the way before I cut myself, because I have one floating here. Yeah, there's that one. Put my little thing back in my glue. Okay. And that's all there is to it. And then you open it up, and then you have your little gusset. And this is a little pokey because I didn't let it dry first, which is my bad. But But yeah, and then you just put it in and you have a self-closing gusseted envelope, and you can put lots of good stuff in there. Isn't that fun? And you can, I mean, use this pattern. You could make a template from this, and you could use this on any paper, cardstock, anything. I just think it's really fun. I really like it. And then, like I said, you can put, so if you wanted to put some chunkier stuff in there, you can, you know, because that, even if that only closes to that much, because you have a lot of stuff in it, it'll still, it's big enough to where you can put a good amount of stuff in there. So that is how you do that. Sorry it took me so long to put this video out. But yeah, that's it. That is the gusseted envelope. So don't forget to enter into the giveaway. Go to the video where I go through the kit, the live that I did. It's going to be linked in the description box, and it'll say, go here to enter the drawing. It'll be the video that pops up last. And see, even though you can see that line, I can come in here and erase it. So yeah. So if like, subscribe, comment on the video for 1 entry, purchase the kit for a 2nd entry, share the video for a 3rd entry, and then tell me what you did in the comment of that video. All right, I'm excited. Thank you all so much for this amazing past almost 3 months. It has been just a beautiful journey. I hope you're loving the kit. If you have any problems or challenges with the kit, let me know. I think I need to do a process video on how to open up the file, because it's been a little challenging for some people. I am working on a different format for my next kit that I'm going to be doing, which should be coming out pretty soon. And then I have some other digital sets that I'm going to be putting out as well. All right, let's see. Today, my prayer for everyone watching this video is that you share the love that you have felt from the Lord with somebody else, that you pass on the love that you have in your heart. I pray that love comforts you and surrounds you and is a part of everything that you do, and that you can be a blessing to somebody else and share and give love to just, even if it's just one other person today, that you pass on the love that you have, that you pass on the love that I have in my heart for all of you watching this video. You are always in my prayers, and I am always sending you so much love. And remember, you are loved. Until next time, love always, Savannah.